In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the CIBC credit card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. After you register for a CIBC account and you are eligible for a credit card after you are approved and receive it, you will be able to manage and activate the card through the mobile app. The only prerequisite to make sure that your card works and that you can use it whenever you wish for online or in-store purchases is to have the latest version of the CIBC mobile banking app. So if you don't have their app already, open the Play Store or the App Store and look for CIBC Mobile Banking. Having the app is very important because it allows you to manage the card whenever you wish. Inside of the app, you will be able to access the menu, and in there, go browse through your credit cards. Whenever you see a credit card that needs activation, there will be a warning next to it. So select that specific card, and on the menu after you select the card, you should be able to find the Activate Card option. Usually it is going to be listed as the last option when you access the menu for that specific card. Activating the card is super simple. All that you have to do is input the card number, the expiry month, expiry year, and then the CVV, which are the 3 digits on the back of the card that you received. As long as you are able to provide all of these information, the card will be activated and ready to use for online and in-store payments. Just make sure that you have enough balance and you will be able to use your CIBC credit card for any purchase that you make. If you encounter any problems while trying to do this, contact their customer support, but the process is very straightforward and can be done manually by you through the mobile banking app. But talking to them is crucial if you encounter any issues while reproducing the steps that I taught you in this video. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the CIBC credit card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.